Hello, David here, and the project for today is that I'm cutting my own hair, but that's not getting videoed. The project for today is creating a public service announcement. It's March 2020, there's a virus marching across the world, making a lot of people sick, killing a lot of people, and that goes along with my channel, and my channel is dedicated to teach you how to make yourself self-sufficient so that you're not dependent upon anybody, especially the government. The government wants you to be dependent upon them so they have control over you. With my channel, I teach myself how to learn a lot of new things because a lot of things I video, I don't know myself. I learn as I go along. I'm really not an expert in much of anything except printing. The government is good at a few things they do. They're good at fielding an army, building an infrastructure. They're good at taxing the crap out of us, and because they know how to spend our money better than we do. They're good at taking our rights away. They're good at drawing chalk lines around our bodies. Before this virus ever started, you should have already had a stockpile of food and water. You should have already had a stockpile of paper goods. You should have already had a stockpile of guns and ammunition of various calibers. You should have a generator with plenty of fuel so that you could run your electricity in case the electricity goes out. This virus may get worse, but it's eventually going to go away and things will get better and the economy will be just as good as it was before. It's really important not to panic. The people that are panicking are the people that do not have any stockpile of any goods. That's why they're panicking. I've had a stockpile of goods on hand and our family has not been panicking. We're doing pretty well. No one in our immediate family is sick and we have plenty of supplies. We only go out to get to the store for food or the hardware store for hardware so I can continue filming projects. With that being said, I'd like you to go on and keep learning new skills, help other people out, teach new skills to other people. We'll get through this and just do the best you can. Keep your spirits up. Thank you. Bye now.